studies as well as you can. This is class 4. Class 4 people. Raise your hand. Okay. Now, usually, most years, I take the class 4s. You can put your hands down. Usually, most years, I take the class 4 students to the zoo. But this year, my car is broken. So, next year, if you like, we will tell you in advance, and we can take you then. All right? And 3, class 3. So the class 4 is in the middle here. So 3, 2. Okay. 1.
Class 1 raise hand. Class 1.
This group. KG.
Orange.
Kindergarten.
Kritika, orange, Harshita. KG students.
So you try to be good students, all right? Okay. You try to be good students, and we will look forward to hearing about the great things that you do. Think about what you want to be when you grow up, okay? And study for that, okay? And we will look forward to seeing you each year. We're very happy about what you're doing, and that you can be good students and you can be very strong academically, and be real smart. Okay. So God bless you, and we'll look forward to seeing you each year as we come back.
Okay, so thank you, sir. Everyone, say thank you, sir.